Welcome to MT5, the latest trading platform from the most popular developer, MetaQuotes. In this video, we will take a look at basic charting on MetaTrader 5. In the first video, we looked at these 5 distinct areas of MT5, and now we will make more room for charts by closing the Market Watch, the Navigator, and the Toolbox. We see MT5 in the Chart Tile mode. You may simply click the Expand icon to move to Single Chart mode. If you have more than one symbol saved in the open profile, you may simply click on the tabs below to move from chart to chart. We will have another video on how to create and manage MT5 profiles. To return to the Tile Windows view, simply click on the appropriate icon here. Under the Windows menu, you may also select Tile Vertical and Tile Horizontal views. For a clearer multi-chart view, you may temporarily diminish any chart and select the option again. You may change the order of any multi-chart layout simply by dragging and dropping the symbols and clicking on the icon to rearrange the charts. You may also manually manipulate individual charts to create any configuration you wish. This will revert to a new state when you click the appropriate icon. The crosshairs feature is a key element in your analysis, and you may activate it here on the toolbar or simply depress your mouse wheel. The crosshairs clearly show where you are on the chart relative to price and time. Also, click, hold, and drag to measure candle periods horizontally, points vertically, and price change vertically. Click again to deactivate the crosshairs. If you right-click on any chart, a full menu appears, which shows you all the important functions available, many of which are also represented on the toolbar. You may change the price action view, bar charts, candlesticks, and line charts. Other functions allow you to undock an individual chart and move it to another monitor. You may hide and show the grid. If you disable auto scroll, this allows you to scroll the chart along the x-axis of time to look at previous price action and backtest your strategies. And you may activate and deactivate chart shift to provide you with some blank space on the chart. You may zoom in and zoom out here from the toolbar or with the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. You also have access to an indicator list where you may see exactly what is in use on each chart, and you may even edit them from here or remove them. We will have more on indicators in other videos. An object list is also available, offering you the same options to modify or delete graphics and other objects. And we will explore graphics in other videos as well. You may click and drag the y-axis price axis to compress any chart. Of course, timeframes are a critical part of financial technical analysis, and MT5 displays all the usual standard timeframes from 1-minute candles to 1-hour candles, to 1-month candles, and all in between. If you require different time frames, you may right-click, select Timeframes, and choose any time frame on offer. Under the Charts menu item, you will see the same options. If you want to add special time frames to the toolbar, simply right-click within the time frame area of the toolbar, click Modify, and you may insert, move, and remove any time frame. A special feature of MT5, which not too many people talk about, can be found under Insert, Objects, Graphical, and Chart. This allows you to insert a small copy of the existing chart. If you double-click on the chart and see a small box in the upper right corner, you may move the chart, change the time frame, change the symbol, and change the size. You may insert as many charts as you wish, but they may be hidden if you go to any tile view. You may also save this layout in a template, and we will cover that in another video. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this MetaTrader 5 video series and your new exciting trading journey with MT5.